Ikaw ang panalo ngayong gabi. Wanlu! 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 Thank you very much. Wanlu! Wanlu! You have just made it to the Hall of Fame.
Pero para sa akin, mahirap talunin si Wanlu.
Sorry, right? You're a real hard act to follow, I have to say. Mahihirapan ang mga contestants.
Thank you very much, Sheree.
Presidente ng fan club mo.
Magaling. Magaling siya sumulat. Magaling sumulat. Magaling mag-deliver. Itong ventriloquism, at lalo na yung, pinantayan ko yung script mo eh. So, magaling kang sumulat, magaling kang kumanta, magaling yung ventriloquism na galing mo. Timing, importante dyan. Marami yan eh. Kaya sinabi ko mas mahirap.
Ako, I'm so proud na meron pala tayong ventriloquist na ganitong level.
Grabe, ang husay. Hindi ako magtataka na ikaw maging second na Hall of Famer dito sa Talentado.
Ventriloquism is a dying art, no? And to see somebody do it this good, hindi ka lang talentadong Pinoy, you're world-class quality. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Direct. Fan Scouts, thank you very much. So here for a special performance, please welcome Talentadong Pinoy second Hall of Famer. Give it up for Wanlu!
Hi everyone, Tito Wanlu here.
And Nicola, his amazing puppet.
Invite us to your birthdays and Nicolo will make sure
We all have fun with talking puppets
dancing puppets
and a whole lot more.
book us now.